Hey guys, and welcome to my mini-series. For the whole month of February, I will be posting one macrame knot or knot pattern a day. This is my favorite way to bring two pieces of your work together. This method is very versatile and will work if you are creating a larger wall hanging or a smaller wall hanging. Either way, you can use this method. We will work on the left section first. Starting on the right, tie a row of double half-hitch knots until you reach the middle. Continue tying rows of double half-hitch knots starting on the right and moving down to the left until you have no more pieces of rope to use. In this case, I will just tie one more row of double half-hitch knots. Move to the right side of your work and then starting on the left, tie your rows of double half-hitch knots down into the right. Use one double half-hitch knot to connect your two pieces of work in the center. We will now create a diamond in the center. You can decide how big or small you want your diamond to be. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'm Chantel from Lots of Knots Canada. Find me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Please subscribe so you don't miss any videos. I'll be posting a new macrame knot or knot pattern every day in February.